So this is the 2015 Mazda 6. The model I have did not come with fog lights. It had little inserts, and I've already installed them. I bought them off of Amazon for approximately $45, $50. This car comes pre-wired already, so you just pop them in and plug them in. However, as you already know, if you're already installing these, that you have to change out the turn signal inside to allow them to work. So let's go inside and see how that change out works. Okay, for this job, you're gonna need a number 2 Phillips and a flathead. I just have this basic like all-in-one 11-in-1 tool, and I used the number 2 side for the screw, and then I flipped this whole thing inside out and used the smaller flathead for prying off the plastic cover. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are. I've already installed the new switch. You can see the fog light add-on, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. We're gonna have to take off this plastic cover here and 2 screws, which are up underneath. And I'm gonna show you a trick too, because you can't just do it with the wheel turn like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that cover off and show you the simplest way to take this off. Okay, so we just take a little flathead here on our 11-in-1, and we just split that on both sides. And I took the 2 screws out right there on the bottom. And so there's part of it. Okay, there it is. Now on the other models, you have to take 2 screws out and this piece comes out. But on this model, there are no screws, so how do we get it out? Well, I can't get to it with the steering wheel, so let's turn the steering wheel. Okay, we're going to take your flathead here, and there's a little button, and we're going to push it in and then just pop it out. So there, I pushed that little button. You can see that little, and it pops out. And then you take the new one and you just pop it in, and it works. So that is how you change out the turn signal on the 2015 Mazda 6 to activate the add-on fog lights. If y'all like this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thanks.